It's been so long since I raced that, you know, my battery's a little too low voltage, so I'm outside charging, trying to keep it safe from everybody inside. Justin Jones in the second, 18,502, and Vince McMahon. The struggle's real. So when I researched lipo storage boxes, there were some online for like 45, 50 bucks. And you know, they had vents and stuff like that, and I'm just like, well, you know, I kind of need one now. So I YouTubed, and this idea I got from a guy on YouTube, except he taped his sandbags on top of the box, but I'm just gonna do mine a different way. Yeah, so that's the idea that I got, and you know, who knows, it may save your trailer, it may save your house, it may save your RC room. So if you want to know more, like see more, keep watching. Okay, all lipos, no matter manufacturer, will explode or puff up, and this is what they look like. There's only 2 manufacturers out there, so it doesn't matter who manufactures. Hey, this is where I live. This right here would catch, an enclosed trailer would catch. I think anything would catch on fire, if you know, especially for lipo. But yeah. Here I went to Walmart, got my ammo box. As you see, it's about $12. This whole project altogether is about $20. Then I jetted over to Lowe's. Got my sand here. This is the play sand. It's about $4. Ziploc bags. Everybody's got these Ziploc bags around their house. So, got me a couple of Ziploc bags, put some sand in them. And, you know, I had to find a way to scoop it out better than my hand. I'm using a cap to kind of get the sand out, but you want to make sure the sand in the Ziploc bag is flat. So, and get all the air out of it. Alright, what I did here was tape the ends of the Ziploc bag so no sand will pour out, you know, into your RC room or your car or enclosed trailer or on the carpet. Then I started placing the Ziploc bags with the sand into the bottom. It had a bigger one, so I put that in the bottom. You can use a big or small, put 2 in the bottom. And I put some on the sides here. For, you know, just kind of protect the side, you know, so when it explodes or catches on, it burns through the bag, and this hand will kind of smother it. So here I put one on top, and now I latched it. Not gonna lie, it does have some weight to it. So yeah, I'd like to see it again. Here it goes. Like I said, I put sand down at the bottom, one of the big bags down at the bottom. Put the small ones on the side. But anyway, this is, like I said, it's just, you know, you never know, you know, when one of them's gonna go. You know, I've heard stories of people charging them in NiCad mode, and when you charge them in NiCad mode with low voltage, you gotta stay on top of it. So I've heard people, you know, charging in NiCad mode, walking off, and come back, and like 10 minutes later, their battery's like puffed up and exploding. So this is just a safety mode, especially if you don't race like I do and your batteries get low voltage. You know, this is just a safety, and for 20 bucks you can't beat it. In the bag of sand, you can make other people one at the track, you know, and you can drill holes in it and use it to charge. If you liked the video, like what you saw, if it was helpful, whatnot, like and subscribe. Also check out my links down below. You know, I have my own shirt, you know, via Teespring. Win or Learn, Never Lose. You check that out. I also have down below some of my other helpful videos. But you'd be doing me a huge favor by, you know, subscribing and liking. Yeah, and if you see me at the track, come up to me, say what's up, sit down, talk, whatever. I'm just like everybody else. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching.